Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Apple Watch to a Nike Run app. So first head over to your app store and search for Nike Run. So just press search. So here we're going to click on this Nike Run Club and start installing this app. And once the app is done installing, click on the open button. So from here, all you have to do is log into your account. But if you don't have an existing account, you can start creating one by clicking on the Join Us button. So once the app is downloaded and you've already logged into your account, you can now head over to Settings and scroll down to the bottom, then click on Apps. And from here, scroll down until you see the Nike Run Club app. And here, all you have to do is toggle the Show app on Apple Watch setting on and wait for the installation to finish. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!